Congratulations for winning Insurance Alerts Asia's Finest CMO Award 2020.
Thank you so much to you and to Insurance Alerts for bestowing this honor on me.
Welcome,
really
ma'am.
appreciate it.
Welcome, ma'am. What we wanted to know, what is the mantra you have for the success?
Well, I don't have a singular mantra.
Okay.
But to be honest, there are certain guiding principles that I've always followed in my career. That's something that I would like to talk about. So I think as a leader, my job is really to craft a vision, to gain alignment within the ecosystem, and to champion execution. Now, all of these are important. But in my head, if the last piece does not happen, the entire strategy can really fall down like a house of cards. So really, in my head, an idea is only as good as its execution, I really believe that God lies in the details. So for me, it's really about rolling up my sleeves, getting into the details of things, getting things done, and getting my hands dirty to do whatever is required. The other guiding principles that I've always followed is that, the only success metric that one should really look out for are results. It's not about how creative the campaign is. It's not about how good the communication is. It's really about what you have delivered for the organization that you're working for. You're only as good as your last delivered result. And I never let myself forget that.
That's fantastic. What is your message for the young generations, those who have just come to the insurance industry or those who are in process of joining it?
A few messages. The first and the most important one is the fact that you must understand that the role of marketing is evolving every single day. Unfortunately, marketing is considered, and marketers are considered to be communication specialists. That's not true. We are not communication specialists. We are consumer specialists. Now, that means that, you have to, as a marketer, constantly be in touch with industry trends, be in touch with the customer, understand changes in consumer behavior, understand changes in technology and what it can do for you and your customers, understand how you can do an effective comparison of paid, owned media and earned media to get your messages out there effectively. You need to have people skills because you are working with an ecosystem. You cannot achieve anything alone. So all of these things you need to keep in mind as a marketer. Now, what does that really mean for you? The consumer is evolving. And for you to be relevant, you actually have to reinvent yourself every few years. I totally believe that if you do not reinvent yourself as a marketing professional every few years, you are going to be completely redundant. The second advice that I would like to give is that embrace technology. If there is something which is niche today, embrace it, because tomorrow is going to become mainstream. Thirdly, make sure that you always have a line of sight of your brand in context of your consumer. The most successful marketers are those who have a strong brand purpose, who continue building on that brand purpose, and all their marketing initiatives are actually seeped in actionable consumer insights. The fourth is that, you have to believe that you have to win in the short term and in the long term. So build the top of the funnel, but do not lose sight of the bottom of the funnel performance marketing goals that your customer needs, your organization needs from you. And last but not the least, this is more of a personal advice, which is take risks. There is absolutely no linear path to success. There is a famous Chinese saying, which is life opens many doors, but you have to walk in yourself. So
Yeah,
even if life has opened a door for you, which doesn't fit into your traditional thinking of success, do not ignore it, consider it. Life has opened the door. You might want to walk through it and see what is on the other side.
that's fantastic,
That's it.
ma'am. I think this will be very, very eye-opening for the uh, young generation, because I think nowadays young generation thinks in a very different way. I think, their whole concept is slightly different. So this will be a long way for them to really think. And thank you very much, ma'am, for your time. And once again, I like to congratulate you for winning the.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaste.
Namaste.